They call me hell. They call me Stacy. They call me hell. They call me King. That's all my name. That's all my name. That's all my name. That's all my name. They call me Quite Hell, but I'm a like that. Maybe Jolie Sky, always the same. That's all my name. That's all my name. That's all my name. That's all my name.
Yeah. Mommy, yo, yellow man whining. I got the formula, baby. It's Formula One. So be entertaining. Promise to black people, bitch. Hey, come on. It's time out for me. You said it would be had forever. You were gonna let me. Now you say goodbye, baby. I can't believe that you would run the game on me, baby. After all the time, look at you. After everything I did for you and me, baby. So now I know what I gotta do, baby. I gotta smash, I gotta break, I gotta dance, I gotta leave it loud, oh loud. Thought that we could talk, we could talk. Now I see you never was. Sometimes it was rough, but you promised me you'd be honest. I can't believe that you ain't running on me, baby. After all the time I put in you, after everything I did for you and me, baby. Now I know what I gotta do. I'm gonna break, gotta get away from you. Remember those walls I built? Maybe they turned down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had down. Sitting in the light, you're hanging low. I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had to break it. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your rays. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need in my heart. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Know you won't let me feel your halo. Mm.